Hello? Hello? Excuse me, I am a bit shy. I am afraid to speak to you. Not because I am afraid of you, but because I know that you might be afraid of me. I don't want to scare you. I want to reach out to you to see if you can feel me without fear. Imagine me. I am small, and I'm not solid. I am not made of matter. You cannot touch me, but I can touch you. Open your free hand and hold it up in front of you, palm up. Look at your hand. I am sitting on it, and I'm looking at you. I've got soft, compassionate eyes, and I smile at you. You do not feel my weight, right? Do you? Perhaps that's what you find scary. I am like a ghost, but I have no bad intentions. I'm a part of life just like you. I am not bad nor good. I can be both. When I'm tamed and cultivated, I can heal you. When I grow big, I can kill you. I can grow like a wild lion, but I can be tame as a soft newborn cub. How do you see me on your hand? Am I wild? I have always been part of mankind. We lived together symbiotically. Sometimes I became too wild and created a massacre. I do not regret it, as this is what I am. How can I regret my nature? But this time, today, it's different. It seems as if people want to eradicate me. And in most parts of the world, they succeeded. I grew small. I don't really mind. I know I am never far away, but there is something going on. Close your eyes and feel how I move away from the palm of your hand and move over your wrist, climb on your arm towards your shoulder. I take a moment to lean against your cheek. You feel soft and warm. I'm not warm or cold, but I know you can feel my presence. I am always present. I'm always near. Keep your eyes closed and feel how I step into the mouthpiece you are holding now. I am entering your mouth and going to your stomach. I am creating space. I probably create a familiar feeling, a feeling that makes you want to drop this experience and leave the space. Uneasiness. Please hang in there for a bit. It is time I need to talk to you. Uneasiness is just a feeling. It goes away. What if uneasiness is just an opinion you have about a sensation? What if you try to relax in the experience? Why am I asking you this? Because I want to show you what I can do for you if I am cultivated, if I am tame. In today's time, in a world full of abundance, we eat and eat and eat and eat. Breathe in deeply and breathe out again. Breathe in deeply towards your belly. I am here. I will collect your breath. Now hold your breath and release. One more time. Breathe slowly and deeply towards your belly. Feel how the skin of your belly is pushing against the fabric of your clothes. And release. Stand on your toes. Go stand on your toes. Feel all your toes carrying your weight. Now feel the crown of your head. Push it up as high as possible. Now make the connection between your toes and the tip of your head. I am sitting, smiling, exactly in the middle. All of this is you. You are made of millions of cells. Your cells renew and grow. They can grow too large or mutate. They can get old and sick. That can create infections, inflammations, or cancer. Do you ever take time to take them away? To clean yourself? Do you even know how to do that? Well, I do. I am like food. Food can heal you, and food can make you sick. I can heal you, and I can make you sick. You need me as much as you need food. Like music I am. Music with vibrations of sounds, and music with pauses. When you create a composition, you need the tones, but also the empty space. Emptiness is not just nothing. Emptiness is what gives space, space to recover, to readjust. It sometimes seems we do not allow space in our lives anymore. We fill up space with words, with food, with social media. What do you do with emptiness? What if there was only light and no darkness? We wouldn't be able to see contrast. Blink your eyes. Do it now. Open, close. We need a void. The void creates space for new things, for new cells, for a new appreciation of flavor. That is what I do. I help reshape your taste. I help recover your body. I help reconfigure the relationship you have with your mind, knowing that you can relax in uneasiness, that it is just a feeling, nothing more. I am lethal. I am powerful. I am part of life. Nourish me. Cultivate me. See me as a secret superpower to sharpen your senses, to renew your cells and focus your mind. If you want to talk to me, you can always connect with me. Just breathe into your belly and give me some space to grow. And don't let me kill you. I would miss you.